this beauty, we've had this for 3, possibly 4 years, 3 years I think, and it just works wonderfully. As long as you follow the maintenance instructions of doing the occasional descaling, it just works beautifully.
What is it?
Oh, it's a mini espresso maker from Breville, and we love it. We just love it.
Does it make good espressos?
Yeah, they're great.
What's this
Perfect.
water thing on the back?
Oh, that's the water storage for it.
Any other features to show off?
Yeah. Sure. So one of the things it does is, steams the milk. So it's going to start steaming the milk here in a second, and you'll be able to see how much steam it throws out. It's kind of magnificent. Keep filming because it does it in different gradients, so it's really going to heat up even more here in a second. Yeah. So, practically a steam engine. Yeah. It's fantastic. And it has a little heat sensor right here so that when you have the milk container sitting on it, it shuts off automatically when it comes to the right temperature and has the proper amount of foam. And then you can set the foam, oops, it's the wrong button. You can set the foam level and the temperature level here. So that works great too.
So you are happy with this?
Totally. And I've been happy with it for at least 3 years. It's a great home appliance. Okay.